In this video, I'll show you how to create a podcast project in Asana, and we'll cover how to organize your tasks and timelines, making your podcast production smooth and efficient. Stick around because I'll share some insider tips you won't want to miss to supercharge your Asana workflow. Before we dive in, you can get Asana for free with our exclusive bonuses by checking the first link below, totally risk-free. Let's get started. To create a podcast project in Asana, the first thing you'll need to do is sign into your account or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard. You'll see an option to create a new project. Click on it and choose the blank template. It gives you a fresh canvas to work with. Now, the next thing to do is name your project. Name it something like podcast production or whatever fits your podcast series. The key here is to keep the name simple and clear so everyone knows what it's about. Then, you'll want to select how you want to organize your project. The most effective way is to use List View, which lets you add tasks in a clear, linear format. It's perfect for tracking the flow of your podcast from episode to episode. You can switch views later if you want to experiment with timeline or board views, but List is where it all starts. Next, let's break down your podcast production process into key tasks. Start by creating tasks like episode outline, recording, editing, and publishing. For each task, you can add subtasks if necessary. For instance, under recording, you might include subtasks for setting up equipment, confirming guest interviews, or checking sound quality. This keeps everything organized and manageable. The fourth thing is setting due dates for your tasks. For each step of the process, make sure you assign a due date. This helps you stay on track and ensures everything gets done in time for your podcast release. You can assign tasks to specific team members if you're working with a group, or if you're running the show solo, it helps you manage your time better. Now, you'll want to add some structure with sections to divide your tasks. For example, create sections for pre-production, production, and post-production. This helps you visually organize your project and quickly see where each episode is in the process. You can also add tags to tasks to further categorize them, like urgent or needs review, which makes tracking progress a breeze. Next, let's talk about automating repetitive tasks. Asana allows you to set up recurring tasks. This is perfect for tasks that you'll need to do every time, like posting new episodes on your website or social media. Simply create the task, set it to repeat on a schedule, and you're good to go. The final step here is monitoring progress. As your tasks are completed, mark them off. You'll always be able to see what's been done, what's coming up, and what's overdue. This way, you can keep your podcast production on track and adjust your workflow if something isn't going as planned. Remember, you can use Asana completely free, and the link below gives you access to that plus some amazing exclusive bonuses. If you've been struggling to organize your podcast workflow, this is the solution you need. So, that's how to create a podcast project in Asana quick, easy, and super organized. If you want to streamline your podcast production, Asana's free plan is a game changer. And don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial by clicking the first link below. Now go ahead, set up your podcast project in Asana, and take your podcast to the next level.